Hi, thanks for coming and welcome to Car Talk Today, all about your dream car. On this day, we will talk about the 2025 Genesis G90. Before we start, help us by subscribing and liking first. Well, let's get to the point of the video. The 2025 Genesis G90, a striking front end, two-line LED headlights, and 19 or 20-inch alloy wheels with multi-spoke designs are standard on the 2025 Genesis G90, adding to its modern and classic appearance. Two powerful engines are available for the 2025 Genesis G90. One is a 3.5-liter twin-turbocharged V6 with 375 horsepower and 391 pound-feet of torque. The other is a 3.5-liter twin-turbo V6 with electric supercharger, which incorporates a 48-volt mild hybrid system for improved efficiency and produces 409 horsepower and 405 pound-feet of torque. In the 2025 G90, you'll find all the comforts you need for those extended road trips. The cabin is adorned with Nappa leather upholstery, high-tech seats, climate control, adjustable ambient lighting, and a roomy 12-cubic-foot cargo box. The 25-year-old Genesis G90 has a plethora of safety features, including adaptive cruise control, a 360-degree camera system, adaptive steering, forward collision avoidance, highway driving assist 2, lane keeping assist, and Genesis SmartSense. The 2025 Genesis G90 is expected to come in two trim levels. The base model, priced at $90,950, and the top-tier Executive, priced at $101,250. An excellent choice for discerning buyers is the cutting-edge 2025 Genesis G90, a sedan that seamlessly blends contemporary elegance, dynamic performance, and cutting-edge amenities. Like, subscribe, and share this video with your friends if you thought this 2025 Genesis G90 preview was cool. In the comments, please share your enthusiasm for the upcoming features. Muchas gracias for tuning in, and until our next video.